If you've ever dreamt of building a global business from India, one that deals with rice, spices, fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, processed foods, or even imported gourmet items, then the agri-food export-import industry is one of the most profitable opportunities right now. India is the world's powerhouse of agricultural production. We're among the top exporters of rice, spices, tea, coffee, marine products, and ready-to-eat foods. At the same time, the country also imports high-demand items such as premium fruits, edible oils, lentils, dry fruits, and specialty packaged foods. This creates a massive two-way trade opportunity for entrepreneurs who want to enter the global market. In this video, I will give you a complete, step-by-step guide to starting your own agri-food export-import business in India. We will cover in this video target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. Your buyers can be from India, as well as international markets. Domestic target audience includes food processing companies who buy raw materials in bulk, wholesalers and distributors for supermarkets and retail chains, hotels, restaurants and catering businesses, online grocery stores and organic food brands, and institutional buyers like corporate canteens and schools. For the international audience, you have importers in the USA, UK, UAE, Europe, Singapore, and Africa, Indian diaspora grocery stores, organic, vegan, and clean-label food markets, and specialty food buyers such as nuts, spices, and ready-to-eat packets. Market research and analysis. India's agricultural exports crossed $53 billion in the last financial year. Some of the highest demand export items include basmati and non-basmati rice, spices, tea and coffee, fresh fruits and vegetables, ready-to-eat Indian meals, and marine products. On the import side, India brings in edible oils, lentils and pulses, premium fruits, dry fruits, and specialty food products. There are some great growth opportunities, like huge demand from the USA, UK, Gulf countries, and Southeast Asia, as well as rising interest in organic, plant-based, and clean-label foods. Government schemes like APEDA, DGFT, and RoDTEP are providing incentives, and e-commerce and B2B marketplaces are speeding up global trade. Marketing and sales strategy. When entering the global food market, your reputation is everything. Focus on APEDA, FSSAI, HACCP, and ISO certifications, clean packaging, product traceability, and highlighting farm-to-export quality. For sales channels, on the domestic front, you can work with distributors, retail supermarkets, hotels and restaurant chains, and wholesale markets. Internationally, you have options like global importers, Amazon Global, Alibaba, and global sources, export fairs like Gulfood Dubai and SIAL Paris, and you can also directly supply to ethnic grocery stores abroad. For your promotion strategy, build a professional website and product catalog. Use LinkedIn, WhatsApp business, and email marketing for B2B buyers. Create sample boxes for importers, and partner with freight forwarders for smooth documentation and logistics. Market. Financial planning. Let's look at the approximate investment required to start an agri-food export-import business. Company registration and legal setup 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Licenses and certifications 50,000 to 1.5 lakhs. Product sourcing and quality testing 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Packaging and labeling, 1.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs. Logistics, warehousing and freight costs, 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Marketing and international buyer acquisition, 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. Website and digital presence, 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Miscellaneous operations, 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Total estimated investment, 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs rupees. Your actual cost depends on product type, packaging, freight charges, and export destination. Funding and investment options. To start this business, here are the sources you can explore. Bootstrapping for small initial shipments, MSME loans, Mudra loans, export credit schemes, ECGC-supported bank loans to reduce risk, APEDA and DGFT incentives, angel investors for high-volume export startups, venture capital for tech-enabled agri-export platforms, invoice financing to maintain working capital. Funding and investment options. Profit margin. So, profit margins in this business, well, they can really vary depending on the category and the destination country. For example, if you are exporting agricultural commodities, you can expect margins of around 10 to 20%. When it comes to processed foods, the margin is a bit higher, usually between 20 to 40%. Now, if you're importing premium food items, you'll typically see margins in the range of 15 to 25%. And for private label exports, the margins are even better, about 30 to 45%. As for the break-even period, it's generally somewhere between 12 to 18 months, but of course, that depends on how consistent your orders are. Company incorporation and legal compliance. To start this business legally, here's what you need. First, you'll have to set up your company. You can choose from a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an LLP, or a private limited company, which is honestly the best option if you plan to scale globally. Then, there are a few mandatory licenses you'll need. Import-Export Code, GST registration, FSSAI license, APEDA registration if you're dealing with agricultural products, and a trademark if you have your own brand. For extra trust, you might also want to consider optional certifications like HACCP, ISO 22000, organic certifications such as NPOP or USDA, and of course, phytosanitary or health certificates for plant or processed goods. Supporting documents. When it comes to documentation, there are a few essentials you just can't skip. For operations, you'll need your IEC certificate, APEDA registration, FSSAI-approved labels, lab test reports, and your purchase orders along with vendor contracts. On the logistics side, you'll need a bill of lading or airway bill, a commercial invoice, packing list, certificate of origin, insurance documents, and shipping instructions. Financially, make sure you have your GST returns, AD code registration for ports, and export declarations in order. All these documents are crucial. They really ensure smooth customs clearance and help you stay globally compliant. How Market Research Universe can help you. If you want to start or scale your agri-food export-import business, this is where Market Research Universe becomes your strategic partner. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation. Our solution, MRU Navigator. India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this ikigai model in your life, in your business, to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 8 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I am also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now, this is the India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform, you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course, through this platform, our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform, we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success, okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days, okay. After that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that, or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.